Hi guys, this is the moment of truth. I've put the Kuma antenna, the 4G antenna, on the window. I've only just kind of jammed that in there at the moment. This is the router, 4K router. I want to try and turn my car into a hotspot. Luckily in this car we have the these 12 volt supplies just about everywhere. They're all over it. Right, I know. Sure. Okay. Car's in. Right. I have to wait till that fires up. Now the Land Rover, this has any car entertainment thing, but it's if I go into mode, I've put it onto auxiliary, and I want to put this little baby in. This is just an Echo Dot. It's just a standard cheapo. Now I was actually hoping it would fit in the drinks compartment, so it would be out the road. It'd probably sit there, but I'm actually thinking I don't actually need to. It doesn't need to be seen anyway. No, the auxiliary is difficult to do one hand. This has to plug into the auxiliary for the radio, which was in here, and this compartment I really just use for spare change anyway, so then I don't need to see it. So, oh, yep, that's good. That's out the road. Now this is a cable, very difficult to get hold of. It's the third cable I've bought. It's the first one that's fitted. It's not the best of quality, but it's off of Amazon. And I have another 12 volt socket down here. Oh, something happened. Something happened. Let's see. Yeah. Looking for a source. I've already set it up so that it finds the other router, the 4G Kuma router. Oh, looks like we're finding something. Oh, it's a bit longer than I thought. Oh, it's here. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 1:26 p.m.
Super. Alexa, tell me a story.
A new spring on Mars. No one was quite sure how the seed got on board the spacecraft, but there it was, tucked away in a supply box. When they found it soon after landing on Mars, the crew debated whether or not to destroy the seed. The captain decided to keep it, and she had the chief scientist inspect it.
Alexa,
It was a...
stop. Now, I'm really happy with that. That's working perfectly from the Kuma. Now, the reason I wanted that is to go into home. Now, if I go into here, as you can see, there's only the DAB radio, the FM, AM, and Bluetooth audio. So I've either got to use my data on my telephone to play stuff through the Bluetooth, but this way I can tell Alexa to play exactly what I want her to play. I don't have to think, or I should say, I don't have to listen to what she wants to put on. What the radio presenter wants to put on, if you know what I mean. I just get sick of listening to the same stuff that they play all the time, whereas I can just say to Alexa, Alexa, play 80s mix.
The playlist Best of 80 on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. I had to stop that quick because obviously, you know, YouTube with their...
Quick is spelled Q-U-I-C-K.
Alexa, stop. As I was saying, we have this problem with with the rights and I have the video claimed by someone else if I'm not careful. But that's all coming from this, and I am so happy. Well done, Kuma.